check the videos where I explain the procedure to recover the refrigerant and recharge the refrigerant?
Yeah.
You enjoy the videos?
Yeah.
Okay, it's nice, no? But not always you need the recovery machine and the vacuum to recharge a little amount of refrigerant. Suppose that I am in this moment in the situation that this equipment have a small leak. I demonstrate to the customer that with additional refrigerant immediately is called again. How can you put a little amount of refrigerant without those equipment? Only with this. You have this. You have only the refrigerant, the tank of the refrigerant. How can you introduce quickly a little amount of refrigerant in the system?
The low pressure setting.
Okay, you need this, no?
Yes.
You need this. In what part of the cycle should be entering the refrigerant?
Always
In the low pressure side. Because what is the other name for the low pressure side?
the suction.
Suction side. Suction refrigerant. Okay, I need verify if the refrigerant that I have is the same than the refrigerant required for the equipment. That's number one. Ready? Okay, number two. I am going to connect in the high pressure. Normally they have red color. I connect my gauge in the high pressure and in the low pressure. Be careful with that one. Okay, look at this. In this moment, with the unit off, I have a 90 in the low pressure side, and I have 90 because this is 50, 70, 90, 100. I have 90 and 90. That's good because it's off. When the system is off, stabilize the pressure equal in both sides. Oh, I start the system, and right now this one goes to 30 and 130. It's good?
No.
It's too low in both sides. How much should be in the low pressure side?
70? 50 to 70.
In between 50 and 70, 45 and 70. And the high pressure side in between 180 to 25 to 30. Yes or not?
Yeah.
Fluctuating, no? In some cases, the low pressure goes to 40, and once again goes until 70, no? You see that is moving. And the high pressure is moving between 182 and 210 and 100 and 210. This is an indication that the compressor is and the reversing valve is working. Okay, but this one stay in 30, move until 35, 30, 35, and the high pressure 120, 130, 120, 130. This is an indication that is low in both sides. Okay. But the equipment is running. However, what happened with the air here? It's warm, it's hot. Okay, I am going to demonstrate to the customer that if I added a little amount of refrigerant, immediately the pressure gauge goes up. Okay, I connect the equipment here, and both valves are closed. Both valves in this moment are closed. Okay, I start the equipment. Where I start the equipment? On the thermostat. No? Okay, I select the thermostat and I here start the compressor. Oh, the compressor is running. And the blower is running. The blower is running, but the air is hot. Okay, I am going to add it refrigerant. What is the procedure? I have the tank here. What is the procedure, guys?
Close the high pressure side, right?
Okay, in this moment both valves are closed.
So then you
Open the low.
I am going to open the low pressure side, and I open this one with the equipment running. And I see right now that the low pressure side is going up, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50, 60. In 60, I close and close. Ready?
Yeah.
And now, if this is closed, I am going to remove this hose. And I put it back, the yellow hose over there. I eliminate the yellow hose. And now, with the unit running, I open both valves. And now I check both pressures. Oh, I have 65 and 200. And the air, oh, it's too hot. Okay, and I operate the unit for 1 hour. I go outside of the boat, I drink a coffee, and I come back in 2 hours. Oh, it's too cold. I check, stay in 60 and to 20, to 10. That's perfect. And I say to the customer, hey, my friend, I fixed temporary because I added refrigerant. Please, I am going to let my set of gauge connected here for you. For you, because you don't have a set of gauge. I need that you check the pressures in high and low, and you send a text message to me today in the evening and tomorrow. Tomorrow, the customer called to me, Mr. Lopez, once again, it's a little low in both sides. Okay. Finito. Finito. It's a self-contained unit, you need to replace the unit. You like the explanation? Is difficult? Recharge the system?
No.
Always through the low
Pressure side.
pressure side. Through the low pressure side.